everyone, welcome back. It has been a month since I uploaded my very first YouTube video. I created this channel to boost my small business, which I decided to expand from just paintings to sculptures and everything handmade. To be honest, my first month really felt heartbreaking. I just have a little over 50 subscribers, and I am lucky if my videos reach 100 views. It has been a month since I launched this YouTube channel. I uploaded 6 videos and 9 shorts. I have around 52 watch hours as of writing. The journey has been going really slow, and I admit that it is extremely discouraging. I spend hours and hours creating art and editing the video process only for it to get 60 views. But what can I say? I love creating. And as long as I create, I am going to keep uploading videos to share to everyone. I want to share the joy and happiness I feel whenever I see the end results of my art. It has been a tough first month, but this is just the beginning. Do you have any tips or suggestions for small YouTube channels? Have you recently just launched your channel as well? How was your experience? Please let me know in the comments below. That's all for now. I'll see you in the next video.